Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay, friends, we got a fun series that we're doing here. We are going to do a series with our drone, our expert here, our 8-year-old expert's getting so good with his drone that we are going to do a little series that we're going to call Will It Fly? All right now we've got about 4 feet connected to the bottom of our drone. What do you think, expert? Is this going to fly?
Maybe, but it could get cut off.
Expert says maybe it'll fly, but it may get part of it chopped off in the propellers. All right, and I'm gonna say it flies, and that if it tries to do the 360 in the air, that is what's gonna cause it to crash. But otherwise, I say it works. All right, let's see it. Up and going. Oh.
We already got a propeller stuck in it.
Oh, I'll tell you what. Why don't you go fix it real quick? I'll do a little zone in, see if we can see what's going on down there.
So this propeller is caught.
Oh. All right, let's give it a second go. Oh, up and going! Yeah! That is hilarious and awesome and cool. Oh my goodness. Is it harder to control it?
No, it's easy.
It's actually just as easy to control it. No kidding. All right, friends. I don't know if I recommend this one at home. We've bought a few of these drones now, so we're just kind of having fun with them. And if this one breaks, it's not a big deal because we have some backup ones. But anyway, I don't know if I recommend that you do this at home. I'd probably suggest that you don't. How cool is that? All right, the ultimate test. Can you do a flip with it? Oh, I don't know, friends. I don't know. No way! No way! I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
That was a front flip. Let's try it back.
No way!
Flip.
That is so stinking cool. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness gracious.
God, that is awesome. Oh my God, that's our greatest one yet. That's
Wow.
the one that can make it do a flip.
That is so cool.
If you watched the last video the first video we made, we put a piece of paper on it and the corner got chopped off by a propeller.
Our expert's saying that we put a piece of paper, just a regular piece of like copy paper, and when we tried to do a flip with it, it worked, by the way, but when we tried to do a flip, the propeller sliced off a little bit of the paper. But I cannot believe the toilet paper is working, and I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's really causing you any issues there. Oh, just as I say that, look at that, it's like a feather coming down. Just as I say that, it looks like our drone. Let's see what's going on with that guy. Oh, man. All right, friends. Hey, thanks for tuning in. And by the way, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Look at the playlist. And what's a good name for this one? I'll tell you what. Look at the playlist, and we'll call it Drone Will It Fly? All right, Drone Will It Fly? Subscribe to the channel. Hit that playlist. And maybe we'll try to put up like 10 different objects and see if we can get them to fly. All right, guys, we'll catch you next time. And don't forget, we're going to put the information down in the description below on how you can purchase one of these awesome, amazing drones right here if you haven't gotten one yet. We also have some other videos on the basics of how to fly it. And obviously here, our expert to my left has gotten to the point where he is pretty darn good at this guy. All right, we'll see you next time.